Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Forte FE. This is the manual, so this is the base model Forte. So I wanted to take a look at this, one because it's manual and in 2021 there's not a lot of new cars with manuals, and two because it's just kind of cool. This is not the smallest car Kia offers, but one of the entry-level options, and a brand new car for under 20 grand is pretty cool. Nice interior, powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder, made it to the 6-speed manual. You can get a CVT in this car, but I say can, not should. Power windows, driver's automatic down. I mean, even once you start pressing some of the panels, like really pressing on them, you expect it to be very, very cheap feeling. I mean, you do have some hard plastics here and there, but here, this is all soft touch, relatively soft touch. You know, and it's not a bad interior. You have to think, for 20 grand, you're getting a warranty and a brand new car for under 20 grand. It is pretty impressive. You're getting a touch screen, a good quality backup camera too, and a relatively nice form of transportation. For a couple more thousand, you can get the Forte GT, you know, and just really have a riot. This gearbox, not designed to be a performance gearbox in any way, shape, or form. It's actually not bad. It's funny, that's one of the car's competitors is the Nissan Sentra. That might be a Versa though, I'm not sure. Not designed to be a performance car, instead a cheap form of transportation. However, it's not wicked slow. It'll get out of its own way, and that's with the AC on blast too. So not like, oh, I have to have everything off in order to have power, like some people are like. Over these bumps, actually pretty comfortable. I don't know if that bump's been softened, because I remember driving cars over that and absolutely like getting my teeth rattled. Just might clear this. Alright, it does. Wasn't sure if it would clear it or not. Turning circles phenomenal. Put it into second. Clutch, one of the easiest clutches ever. It's lightweight, feels like touching a gas pedal. You know, it's springtime when we're starting to spread the park mulch. Although this video is probably not going to go live until, well, midsummer time, so. Did we just sell our last new Silverado? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I mean, it's awesome, but we're selling out of them so quickly. About 2-3 weeks ago, we had 40. Now we have 1. That includes Sierras too. We had probably a total of 75. Now we have a total of 2, including heavy duty stuff. Maybe including heavy duty, probably more like 5. And that doesn't include commercial stuff either. Why was that a perfect rev match? Well, I used to own a Kia Spectra 5, 2007 with the 5-speed, and so I'm used to rev matching in some interesting cars. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.